All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today I want to hit you guys off with a quick unboxing, man. I got something in the mail, and as always, I like to share it with you guys. So I got 3 packages in the mail from the homies over at Alexandria Fragrances. I was chilling in the room one night, got a message on Instagram, said ding, looked at it and was like, hey, King, I got some things in the mail for you. I said, all right, cool, man, send them through. When they get here, I'm gonna let you know what I think. So this will be a quick unboxing / first impressions, and I'll at least tell you guys what I have here. And then you comment below and let me know which one you would like to receive a review on first. This one is called 69 Fahrenheit. Now I'm gonna assume from the name that this one is like a recreation of Dior's Fahrenheit. I'm not 100% sure, but the name would lead me to believe that. Leather, aromatic, fresh, spicy, ozonic. That kind of fits that description, but I'm not sure why you would need to like redo that one. It's not like an expensive fragrance. It's an easy pickup. But maybe you're just looking to do a classic, or maybe I'm totally wrong. But let's see. Like, you're totally wrong. Listen, I hope I'm not wrong here, because I feel like this one could be along those lines. It's an aromatic fragrance, definitely. I get some of those leather notes here, but I'm not saying that the fragrance is dated, but it smells like it could be from that time frame of Dior's Fahrenheit, if that makes any sense to you guys. What I do like, I like the I think it's Fahrenheit Aqua or 32 Aqua, the white one. That one's super dope. I like that one. What else do we have here? We also have Zion. I believe this one is a recreation of Roja Dove. I think it's called Elysium or something. I don't own that fragrance. Actually, I have a sample, not right by me right now, from Mr. Siage. He actually sent that to me. He actually sent me like his entire spring list, like every fragrance that he had, and he sent me a sample of those. So maybe I'll do a samples. I actually just got something from Chad as well today. Chad over Gentleman's Journey. He sent me a bunch of Ferragamo and I think Ferrari samples. So shout out to you, sir. Maybe I'll do those all together. This one here, I actually got to spend a little bit more time with this one, because when Mr. Siage sent me his sample of this one, I sprayed it. I didn't really like it. I'm gonna be 100% honest. Like, I sprayed it, did not like it, and haven't revisited it from there. Now, I don't know why, but I kind of got like a barbershop type vibe from it. Not saying it was a barbershop fragrance, and I know a lot of you guys out there are gonna crucify me because it seems like everyone in the fragrance community loves it, but I do not own it. It's not bad. It's not bad, but I'm not sure if this is one that I would like lean to a lot. But I also thought the same thing about the original, so I need to do a side-by-side comparison on those two. And obviously we're just in the opening now. I know some of you guys out there like, hey, you can't judge a fragrance on the opening. You're right, we can't. That's why I don't do reviews on that. I just give you guys my first impressions. It's the same thing, man. You in a quick time crunch, you go to the mall, you're looking for a fragrance. Oh, let me smell this. No, I don't like that. No, I don't like that. Yeah, I'll take that one. That's kind of how it goes in most cases. Like, you guys aren't spraying and walking around the mall for 3 hours, coming back like, you know what? This is the one. No, you just, I mean, at least most people aren't doing that. And this one is Fado Deveny, and this is obviously their play on Tom Ford's Veni Fatale. And I also have the Duo. I smell a fragrance battle coming on. I also have the Duo one, so I can do a triple threat comparison. Compare all 3, see which one wins. Definitely get the vanilla. The vanilla is definitely present. It's live and in the flesh. Yeah, man, this one, I like it. Yeah, I like this one. This one's dope. Like vanilla, man, vanilla can lean really feminine. It can be done extremely wrong, or it can be done really right. I believe they did it right in the Veni Fatale. I like this one, and I think I also liked that Duo one, but I have to revisit those. I might do a comparison between all 3. You guys let me know what you think. Are you looking for vanilla-based fragrances, these fragrances right now? You may not be looking for these type of fragrances right now, because I personally feel the vanilla, the Veni Fatale, all that's for like fall and winter, or a close encounter situation, because vanilla turns them on. All right, man. This is a quick unboxing. I got 3 in: 69 Fahrenheit, Zion, and then Fado Deveny. Oh, Fatale Deveny. This one is vanilla, balsamic, warm smoky. Zion, citrus, aromatic, woody, and green. And then 69 Fahrenheit is leather, aromatic, fresh, spicy, and ozonic. Obviously, I'm going to let these dry down. I'm going to wear these. I'm going to test these and give you guys my official reviews. Thoughts and opinions can always change, but I definitely want to try this one in comparison to the original. I did not like the original. Let me know what you guys think about the Roja Dove Elysium. I believe that's what it's called. Comment below and let me know your thoughts. As always, I'm your boy, Big Baby. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and we are back again. Hit your goddamn bell.